Hello student, I am taking the topic coordinate geometry, which is very important topic in mathematics for IIT point of view. In coordinate geometry, I am taking here straight line, and in the straight line these are the topics which we do. First is introduction, second is slope of a line and angle between two intersecting lines, third is various form of equation of a straight line. Next is distance of a point from a line. Next is distance between two parallel lines, image of a point on a straight line, equation of angle bisector of the angle between two intersecting lines, and the last but not least, family of lines. So student, I am starting with the introduction. What is straight line? Which graph it will represent? So student, you can see, if suppose there are two fixed lines, one is called x-axis and one is called y-axis. If you move, suppose it is you are standing at this point which is called the origin. From here you have to move in a direction such that every time you are moving, every time you make an angle of 30 degree with positive direction of x-axis. Suppose you are starting from this point, you are moving, moving. In backward direction also you can move, such that every time the angle inclination of your movement, your path with the positive direction of x-axis is 30 degree. I'm taking here only an example, 30 degree. It is not necessary every time it will be 30 degree only. I'm just taking an example only. You are moving using 30 degree. Every time the movement is angular 30 degree, 30 degree, 30 degree. In the backward direction also it is 30 degree, 30 degree every time. Then this path, this path is called a straight line. So now when the lines is moving at a particular angle, when line is making an angle theta, alpha, beta, gamma with the positive direction of x-axis, then what it will represent? So see a student, the slope of a straight line. Slope of a straight line, it is when there is an x-axis, y-axis, and this one is the line which subtends an angle psi, then then the slope of the line is tan psi. Slope of the line is tan psi. So student, the slope you can define as slope of the straight line is tangent of the angle subtended by the line with the positive direction of x-axis. So it is, you can say, where psi is the angle subtended by the line with positive direction of x-axis. And student, the slope is denoted by m. Slope of a line is always represented by m. So therefore you can write here m is equal to tan psi.